One of me and my boyfriend's favorite things to do is go to the mall and get teriyaki chicken from the food court. It's the only reason we go to the mall, so I tried to make a healthier version at home by chopping up boneless, skinless chicken thighs and using this coconut aminos based marinade I get from Whole Foods. If you don't have that though, you could use any teriyaki marinade. And then after I marinated it, I seasoned it with some ginger, garlic, a all-purpose meat seasoning, and some honey. And then I threw it in my air fryer. It turned out so good. If you guys try it, let me know what you